Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott with analysis. So today I want to talk about NVDA, the one single persistent stock that doesn't seem to fall. Right. So if this NVDA has confounded me for quite a while, right? So today I want to present a scenario where I think that it has peaked. Right. From no matter which angle you see, right, and based on analysis that I've done over and over again, NVIDIA could go up to above 153. Right, but today, just for this purpose, I want to present an alternate way to look at NVIDIA that could potentially signal that it has already peaked as of 22nd October end. Now, let's look at this big picture first for me to present this bearish case. So if you look at the 1 week, right? So usually if I go into the 1 week, there's one specific thing that I want to look at, and that's the volume. So if you look at the volume here, you'll notice that there is a drop in the volume actually from here onwards, right? So drop here, this volume. We are particularly interested in the move here versus the move here. Right? So the move here, you can see that volume is increasing and then down, and then this move itself, right, until 17 June this week, right, volume goes down. So this is perfectly normal. So if we move to the right of the chart, plus the plus this bearish candle, right, one would think that these have already peaked, NVIDIA has already peaked, right, if you're at this point in time. And that is what I thought also, to be very honest, right, because you have not only a decreasing volume, you also have this RSI divergence over here, right, where this high is actually lower than this, and this is a clear wave tree, right, because of the RSI being in the overbought region for so long. Then you have a crash here, right? So this is where, if you have followed me on YouTube or TikTok or even TradingView itself, I actually warned of a crash somewhere in July. Right, so at that point in time, I thought that this is really the end, right? And this crash is going to be a start of a new bear market that is going to go down for quite a lot, right? But I also give disclaimer that this could be a wave 4. I mean, I didn't talk about NVIDIA itself as wave 4, but I talk about the S&P. Now let's look at this. Point onwards, right? So a usual way of looking at this will be plotting this as a ABC, right? Then you actually have a new wave up where this is a this will be like a wave 1, wave 2, and then we are going to a wave 3. Sorry, yeah. So wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. Then we'll be expecting a wave 4 somewhere and a wave 5. Right, so this is the usual way to look at this, and if based on my usual way of projecting where this move can go up, you will see that it's at least 156, right? Just based on this Fibonacci extension alone. So so there is actually no bearish case if you look at this normally. But what if we look at this another way, right? One that is not very clear cut. Like I'm at the daily now and zooming into this entire move over here, right? This is where previously I put an ABC, right? And this is 1, and this is 2. Now let me present this scenario where everything that happened over here is actually a 5-wave correction. So this will be what you call a irregular triple combination, right? This most waiver will not present these scenarios, right? Until it is already confirmed, right? When the price has already moved down, right? And it has already moved down probably below here, 124. Even for myself, I don't really like this scenario, but if I have to present a bearish case, this is the only way to have a bearish Elliott wave count over here, right? So where does my bias come from? My bias actually comes from Nasdaq, which you have seen my analysis on Nasdaq. I mentioned that I'm expecting this to break down when this is truncated fifth most likely. So let me go back to NVDA again. So with this irregular correction, right? By the way, this is really not a preferred way of doing Elliott wave analysis, but for our case, let's keep to this first. Then where will this end? Why did I say that 22nd October is the peak? So let me draw the wave first. You see this as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Let me zoom out to the weekly. Right, so in the weekly you see that I think I need to go back down and put up this wave for visibility. So this is how I would draw the wave, right, from the bottom here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So how can this be a confirmed or a likely scenario is if we do this projection. You see that this actually nicely ends at 144.17, and the peak here is 144.42. So this is one likely scenario where this wave is a wave 5 and it has ended. Right? It also ended with a new high, all-time high, right? And over here, if you look at the RSI, you can see where the wave 3 is. This is the wave 3, wave 4, and this potentially is a wave 5. So this is one scenario where this NVDA has ended, right? This is the only scenario that I found that can present NVDA as a bearish alternative, at least in terms of Elliott wave count, right? I've briefly go through how this could actually go out above 150, 156 maybe. Yeah, it's just one scenario, but this is a bearish scenario for NVIDIA. So good luck in your trading, and thank you.